What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Bing on the channel. We're going to be comparing two F90 M5s. They both have catless downpipes and front-mount intakes, but this one right here has a full valved exhaust system, which means he can close the valves and open the valves, be loud, quiet whenever he wants. But my F90, which is this one right here, does not have an exhaust. It's a full stock exhaust. So we're going to be comparing and telling you guys why you should get a valved exhaust for your BMW, and let's get straight to it.
TikTok, right?
Huh?
From the TikTok, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see you on TikTok, man. What's up?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How's it going?
TikTok a bunch. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, man. Good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Kyle.
Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Man. Yeah, I see a bunch on my For You page.
Oh,
I've been waiting to see you over here with the cars.
Oh,
They're nice.
shit. I thought you'd come over to say something to us. I was like,
no, they're
oh,
nice, dude. Yeah, no, they're nice.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Appreciate
brother,
that.
take care. You're doing
You
a
too.
good job.
Thank you.
All
Be
right?
safe. Thank you. What the fuck? Yo, bro. I thought I was about to get arrested, my boy. Alright, guys, so this would be a cold start on the M5 with the valved exhaust. This is the valve remote right here, so it's going to be open when we start it up, but I will be closing it to show you guys. But let's go ahead and get a cold start with the valved exhaust. We just showed you guys the cold starts for both of these cars, and for this one right here, you're able to close the valves. You could be quiet. Let's say you leave in early morning. You don't want your family to hear you leaving, or nobody hearing. Don't wake anybody up. Your neighbors, whatever it is. And this car was literally quieter than my car with valves closed, and this thing is fully modded out just like mine. And I can't even close my valves to be quiet cold start like you guys just saw. So I would say it's 100% worth it to get it, and stay tuned because my exhaust is getting installed this Saturday. Today, the day we're filming this, is Thursday, so stay tuned for that video. Let's go and show you guys some revs of this car. Sport Plus with the valves open is insanely loud, and then also valves closed, which is insanely quiet. And then just show you guys how my car sounds, just normal, and let's get straight to it. To be honest with you guys, I thought we were about to get tickets for being here, but thank God we didn't. That cop was so chill. Shout out Steve. I can't believe that even happened in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys think it's worth it to get a valved exhaust? You guys heard my revs in just comfort mode were much louder than this car in Sport Plus with the valves closed. This car is quieter with valves closed than this car, and it's already catless, which is absolutely insane. If you guys want to purchase the catless downpipes, front-mount intakes, or even the full valved exhaust, I'll leave a link to all three of those things in the description of this video. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. But stay tuned. We're going to be doing exhaust on this car and showcasing the full installation process and everything for you guys. And yeah, I can't wait to see how this car is going to sound. And keep in mind, guys, this car does have a full stainless steel exhaust system, while I'm going to be installing a full titanium exhaust system. So stay tuned for the video on here where it's going to be comparing stainless steel and titanium. And yeah, the POV drives and all the videos on here are going to be so much better. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Love you all.